Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be having a look at JustMarkets. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. JustMarkets is a reputable brokerage firm dedicated to providing clients with top-notch financial services and solutions. With a focus on integrity, transparency, and client satisfaction, JustMarkets offers a wide range of investment opportunities and trading instruments to meet the diverse needs of investors. Whether clients are seasoned traders or new to the world of finance, JustMarkets prides itself on delivering personalized guidance and support to help them achieve their financial goals. With a track record for reliability, JustMarkets is one of the go-to choices for individuals seeking a trusted partner in their investment journey. JustMarkets offers a diverse array of trading instruments tailored to meet the investment objectives and risk preferences of clients. From traditional assets such as stocks, bonds, forex and commodities, to innovative options such as cryptocurrencies and derivatives, JustMarkets offers a comprehensive selection of trading instruments to cater to the needs of both novice and experienced traders. With advanced trading platforms and cutting-edge technology, clients can execute trades swiftly and efficiently, ensuring they capitalize on market opportunities in real time. Additionally, JustMarkets provides educational resources and market analysis to empower clients with the knowledge and insights needed to make informed trading decisions. Whether pursuing short-term gains or building a long-term investment portfolio, JustMarkets equips traders with the tools and support necessary to navigate the dynamic world of financial markets successfully. The broker operates under strict regulatory oversight to ensure the highest standards of integrity and transparency in its financial services. Committed to maintaining the trust and confidence of its clients, JustMarkets adheres to regulatory guidelines set forth by reputable authorities, such as the FSA, the CYSEC, the FSCA, and the FSC. Through robust compliance measures and stringent monitoring processes, JustMarkets demonstrates its dedication to upholding industry best practices and safeguarding the interests of its clients. By partnering with accredited regulatory bodies, JustMarkets provides clients with the assurance that their investments are protected and that they are trading on a secure and reliable platform. With JustMarkets, clients can take advantage of a variety of bonuses and promotions designed to enhance their trading experience. From welcome bonuses for new clients to special promotions for existing traders, JustMarkets offers incentives to reward loyalty and encourage active participation in the markets. These bonuses may include deposit bonuses, cashback offers, and referral bonuses, providing clients with additional funds to boost their trading capital and increase their potential for profit. With transparent terms and conditions, JustMarkets ensures that clients can fully understand and maximize the benefits of each promotion. By regularly updating its promotions and introducing new offers, JustMarkets aims to provide added value to its clients while fostering a dynamic and engaging trading environment. JustMarkets offers the use of the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms. With MetaTrader 4, traders can execute trades quickly and efficiently, analyze market trends with customizable charts and technical indicators, and implement automated trading strategies using expert advisors. The platform's intuitive interface and robust functionality makes it the perfect choice for traders seeking reliability and performance in their trading activities. With MetaTrader 5, traders can enjoy a seamless trading experience categorized by lightning-fast execution, customizable charts, and a wide range of technical indicators. This versatile platform supports various asset classes, including Forex, stocks, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, allowing traders to diversify their portfolios and seize opportunities across global markets. MetaTrader 5 also offers enhanced trading capabilities such as hedging and netting options, as well as built-in economic calendars and news feeds to help traders stay informed of market developments. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting your journey, JustMarkets provides comprehensive support and resources to help you make the most out of your trading activities. JustMarkets' MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms are also available as WebTrader versions and mobile applications for iOS and Android devices. Furthermore, traders have access to an innovative suite of social trading tools designed to enhance their trading experience and foster collaboration within the trading community. With their social trading platform, traders can connect with fellow investors, share insights, and replicate the strategies of successful traders in real time. This collaborative approach to trading allows traders to learn from each other, gain valuable market insights, and potentially improve their trading performance. JustMarkets offers a variety of trading account types to suit the diverse needs of traders around the world. These accounts include namely the Standard, Cent, Pro, and Raw Spread accounts, as well as Demo and Islamic account options. The Standard Cent account is specifically designed to cater to the needs of traders who prefer smaller trading volumes and precise risk management. With the Standard Cent account, traders can enjoy the benefits of tight spreads, fast execution, and access to a wide range of trading instruments across various asset classes. The Standard Cent account allows traders to test their trading strategies in a real market environment with minimal risk, thanks to its low minimum deposit requirement. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, their Standard Cent account provides a solid foundation for honing your trading skills and achieving your financial goals. Their Standard account provides a versatile and comprehensive trading experience. Designed to meet the needs of traders of all levels, the Standard account offers competitive spreads, fast execution, and a wide range of trading instruments across various asset classes. With the Standard account, traders can enjoy flexible leverage options, allowing them to tailor their trading strategy to their risk tolerance and financial goals. Additionally, their Standard account features advanced trading tools and analytics to help traders make informed decisions and maximize their trading potential. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, the Standard account provides the ideal platform to navigate the financial markets with confidence and efficiency. Their Raw Spread account is tailored for those seeking direct access to interbank liquidity and ultra-low spreads. This account type is designed to accommodate professional traders and institutional investors who demand the utmost transparency and competitive pricing. With their Raw Spread account, traders can benefit from tight spreads starting from 0 pips, coupled with lightning-fast execution speeds. This ensures that traders can capitalize on market opportunities with minimal slippage and maximum efficiency. Additionally, the Raw Spread account provides traders with access to a wide range of trading instruments, allowing for diversified trading strategies. Their Pro account is tailored for traders seeking enhanced trading capabilities and premium features. This account type is meticulously crafted to meet the demands of experienced traders and institutional investors who require advanced tools and personalized support. With the Pro account, traders gain access to competitive spreads, lightning-fast execution, and a diverse range of trading instruments across multiple asset classes. Moreover, the Pro account offers flexible leverage options, allowing traders to optimize their risk management strategies according to their individual preferences and goals. Additionally, JustMarkets provides Pro account holders with access to exclusive features such as dedicated account managers, priority customer support, and advanced trading analytics. Whether you're a seasoned trader or an institutional investor, the Pro account provides the ideal platform to elevate your trading experience and achieve your financial objectives. JustMarkets also offers traders the opportunity to hone their skills and test their trading strategies with their risk-free demo account. This account type is ideal for both novice traders looking to familiarize themselves with the platform and experienced traders seeking to refine their trading techniques. With their demo account, traders gain access to virtual funds that can be used to practice trading in real market conditions without risking any capital. This allows traders to experiment with different trading strategies, explore new markets, and gain confidence in their trading abilities. Moreover, their demo account comes equipped with all the features and functionalities of a live trading account, providing traders with a realistic trading experience. JustMarkets also caters to the needs of Muslim traders with their Islamic account option, designed to comply with Islamic finance principles. This account type offers traders the opportunity to participate in the financial markets while adhering to Sharia law, which prohibits certain activities such as interest and speculative trading. With the JustMarkets Islamic account, traders can enjoy trading with peace of mind, knowing that their activities are in accordance with Islamic principles. The Islamic account features swap-free trading, ensuring that traders do not incur any interest charges for holding positions overnight. Additionally, their Islamic account provides access to a wide range of trading instruments across various asset classes. JustMarkets also introduces an innovative copy trading feature that empowers investors to replicate the strategies of experienced traders seamlessly. Through their copy trading platform, investors gain access to a diverse pool of skilled traders, allowing them to browse through performance metrics and select traders whose trading style aligns with their investment goals. With a few simple clicks, investors can automatically mirror the trades of their chosen traders in their own account, enabling them to capitalize on market opportunities without the need for extensive market analysis or trading experience. Their copy trading platform offers transparent performance tracking and risk management tools, allowing investors to monitor their portfolio's performance and adjust their copy trading strategies as needed. Creating an account with JustMarkets is a simple and straightforward process. Firstly, what you'll want to do is head over to their homepage. Once on their homepage, click on the Register button. Next, submit your personal information such as your email address and create a password for your account. After your account has been submitted, you will be redirected to the JustMarkets Client Zone. Within their Client Zone, you can create live or demo accounts, check on promotions and bonuses, contact customer support, and much more. After you have created your preferred trading account type, the next step would be to choose and download your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 5 trading platform. Download and install your preferred trading platform, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 5 terminal with JustMarkets. On the left side of the dashboard, you have your Market Watch. You can easily switch between all of the available market instruments that JustMarkets provides from the Market Watch. In the center of the dashboard, you have your chart. And at the top of the dashboard, a variety of tools and options such as indicators and chart types, for you to customize your dashboard according to your preferences. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader trading platforms, you can find a wide variety of educational content online or over on the MetaTrader official website to help you get started with understanding the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. JustMarkets ensures a seamless and secure process for deposits and withdrawals, providing clients with convenient options to manage their funds efficiently. With a variety of payment methods available, including bank transfers, credit and debit cards, as well as electronic wallets, clients can easily deposit funds into their trading accounts. JustMarkets prioritizes security by employing robust encryption and authentication protocols to safeguard clients' financial transactions. Additionally, withdrawals are processed promptly, allowing clients to access their funds in a timely manner. Their dedicated customer support team is readily available to assist clients with any questions or concerns regarding deposits and withdrawals, ensuring a hassle-free experience. JustMarkets provides a comprehensive array of educational resources to empower traders with the knowledge and skills needed to succeed in the financial markets, from beginner to advanced levels. JustMarkets offers a diverse range of educational material, including articles, tutorials, videos, webinars, and interactive courses. These resources cover various topics such as market analysis, trading strategies, risk management, and technical analysis, catering to the diverse needs and preferences of traders. Additionally, JustMarkets' educational content is regularly updated to reflect the latest market trends and developments, ensuring that traders have access to relevant and timely information. Whether you are new to trading or an experienced investor, JustMarkets' educational resources provide valuable insights and guidance to help you navigate the complexities of the financial markets with confidence. The broker also offers a comprehensive suite of analytical tools designed to empower traders with valuable insights and data-driven decision-making capabilities. Through its analytics platform, traders gain access to a wide range of analytical tools, including advanced charting features, technical indicators, and market sentiment analysis. Their analytics covers various financial markets, including forex, stocks, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, providing traders with a holistic view of market trends and conditions. Whether traders are seeking to identify trading opportunities, analyze price movements, or assess risk factors, their analytics offers the necessary tools and resources to support informed trading decisions. With real-time updates and customizable features, their analytics platform is an indispensable resource for traders of all levels, helping them stay ahead of market developments and optimize their trading strategies for success. Overall, JustMarkets emerges as a premier destination for traders seeking excellence in online trading services. With a commitment to integrity, transparency, and client satisfaction, the broker offers a comprehensive range of tools and resources to empower traders of all levels. From its diverse selection of trading instruments to its cutting-edge platforms and robust educational material, JustMarkets provides the support needed for traders to navigate the complexities of the financial markets with confidence. JustMarkets empowers traders of all levels to thrive in the dynamic world of finance. And with their forward-thinking approach and commitment to continuous improvement, they set the standard for excellence in online trading, ensuring that traders have the tools and support they need to achieve their financial goals. JustMarkets remains dedicated to leading the way in the ever-evolving world of online trading. And that is our overview of JustMarkets. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.